Hello everyone, welcome to G's Kitchen. Today is yet another healthy recipe, a porridge with drumstick leaves. Come, let's get into the video and check out the ingredients and how to make it. I'm G from G's Kitchen. Here I have taken broken rice. This is specially for porridge, but if you cannot find this, you can just simply use red or white raw rice for this recipe. I'm going to wash this and I'm going to cook this in pressure cooker. Now I have washed this rice. I'm going to use a pressure cooker. You can also use a normal pan to cook the rice. Into the pressure cooker, I'm going to add in the rice. And here I have taken some coconut milk. I'm going to add this in. You can use water instead. You can add more water because we are making a porridge. And I'm going to add little bit of salt and going to cook this for at least 2 whistles. While the rice is cooking, here I have taken about half a teaspoon of cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon of black peppercorns and 4 to 5 pods of garlic. I'm going to add this into a grinder and make it to a paste. I'm just going to pulse it. Now the spice mix for the porridge is ready. If you don't like the peel of the garlic, you can just take it off, but this gives a nice taste. Now the spice mixture is ready. Now after 2 whistles on low flame, I have released the pressure. Let's open it. If you exactly want me to tell you the measurement for the rice and water or coconut milk, it will be 1 cup of rice for 4 cups of water, or you can use coconut milk. Now the rice is cooked well. Now switch on the flame again on low heat and I'm going to add in the thick coconut milk. This will be a very healthy recipe because we are going to use moringa leaves or drumstick leaves in this. And also the spice mixture which we are going to add in also gives us relief from cough or cold or slight fever. So I'm going to add the spice mix we made as well. This is made out of 4 to 5 pods of garlic, 1 teaspoon of pepper and half a teaspoon of cumin seeds. Let this boil for a while. Now this is the consistency, but if you want, you can make it more watery. I want more watery, so I am going to add in more water into this. If you want a thick consistency, you can leave it as it is. Let this boil for a while. Give it a taste test and add enough salt. going to add in little bit more water. Now you can see the consistency. Since we have added coconut milk, make sure you stir it every now and then. If you just leave it, it will curdle up. Now you can see it has started boiling a bit. At this point, I am going to add in Moringa leaves or drumstick leaves. I have taken a handful, about 1 cup. I am going to add this in as well. These are very high in antioxidant, hence it helps you to increase your immunity. It has been about 2 minutes. Now our healthy drumstick leaf porridge is ready. I have also made a green leaf porridge and also a chicken soup. I'll give the links in the description box for you to check out. These recipes will help you to increase your immunity so that you can be healthy and safe. Just switch off the flame and transfer it into the serving dish. Tasty and healthy drumstick leaf porridge is ready. Make this at home and enjoy with your family and friends, and be safe. Let me meet you with another interesting video. Thank you.